Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet, and today we're going to make a seasoned potato salad. Now I'm using fingerling potatoes, which are small and long potatoes. They're called fingerlings because they are kind of similar to your finger. They tend to be a little knobby. They're sweet. They are generally young potatoes, so they are available in the spring, early summer. So when I cook these, I don't tend to cut them up because they're so small that they're almost in bite-sized pieces to start with. So I have pre-cooked them for just about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to slice them, mostly just cutting them in half. And these really small ones, not even cutting them at all. Okay, and because they're such special potatoes, I'm really not going to do much in the way of seasoning them. So I'm just going to toss them with some red wine vinegar, some olive oil, some green onions, some chopped fresh chives, and some chopped fresh flat leaf parsley, which I find is a little more flavorful than the curly parsley. You can really use either one. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and that's it. It's just a simple, tasty potato salad using the fingerling potatoes. So there you go.